Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are really going to do a deep dive
A deep dive.
into how Python is changing the way we use Excel.
Yeah,
And, I'm excited about this one
absolutely.
because we found this really cool little nugget
Oh,
of information about a keyboard shortcut
okay.
that you can use in Excel.
Right.
That just opens up like a whole world of what you can do with Python inside of Excel.
Interesting.
So we're going to unpack that today. And yeah, I think it's going to be a really fascinating look
Yeah, I get
at
that.
how these two tools are kind of coming together.
Mm-hmm.
So the keyboard shortcut
Yeah.
that we're talking about is CTRL+ALT+SHIFT+C.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Talk
so
about keys.
that's a lot of keys
That's a lot of
to
keys.
press at the same time. So
Yeah.
that's got to be something that's not like an everyday simple function. Like
Exactly.
it sounds like something
Yeah.
really powerful.
It's got to be like
Yeah.
not something you're doing all the time,
Yeah. Yeah.
but when you need it, it's there.
Mhm. It's there.
So what this shortcut does is it changes a Python plot
Okay.
from an image object to a linked floating plot.
Okay, so let's unpack that a little bit. What does that even mean?
What does it actually mean, right?
Right.
Like if you're,
Like plain English.
yeah, in plain English, for
Yeah.
somebody who uses Excel, what are we even talking about?
Right.
So imagine that you're using Excel and you've got Python code in there,
Uh-huh.
and that Python code is generating a data visualization.
Okay.
So maybe it's a graph, maybe it's a chart, something like that right inside your spreadsheet.
Yeah, so Python's doing some of the work for me.
Exactly. Python's doing the heavy lifting
Yeah,
to create this visualization.
got it.
So initially, that Python visualization might just be kind of like a static image.
Okay.
Like you pasted a picture in there, that's the image object.
Right, like a screenshot almost.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But when you hit Throttle plus Alt plus Shift plus C,
Uh-huh.
it transforms it into
Right.
a linked floating plot.
Meaning it's no longer static, it's dynamic and interactive.
So it's live.
It's connected to the data.
Wow.
So as the data changes, your visualization changes.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So what kind of things could you do with that?
Oh man, all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
So think about this. You could have like a sales report that updates every hour with live data from your website, all powered by Python inside of Excel,
Wow.
right? Or you could have a dashboard
Right.
where you can play with different parameters
Uh-huh.
and see the visualizations change in real time, all without leaving your spreadsheet.
So even if you don't know Python,
Yeah,
you can still benefit from this.
absolutely.
Because you can have somebody build these tools for you, and then all of a sudden your Excel spreadsheets become these really dynamic,
Yeah,
like living documents.
they come alive.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think the really amazing thing here is that this is just one keyboard shortcut, what we're talking about. And who knows what other kind of hidden gems
Right.
are lurking within Excel.
Yeah. Or other programs for that matter.
Absolutely, just waiting for us to discover them.
That's what I love about doing these deep dives.
Yeah.
You find these little things,
Mm-hmm.
and it just opens up a whole new world.
Opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Yeah, and it's amazing.
Yeah, it's exciting.
So I encourage all of our listeners,
Yeah.
go out there, explore,
Explore.
see what you can find.
See what you can find.
And who knows, you might uncover the next big thing.
Absolutely.
All right, that's it for our deep dive today.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.